In today's video, I will share with you some of the items that I sold in 1 week on eBay, Facebook, Poshmark, Mercari, and Amazon. These are everyday items that I found at my local thrift store, including Goodwill stores. You too can find these everyday items in your town, or perhaps you have them around your house. Stay tuned until the end of the video for an item that I sold to a dental office on Amazon. They paid over $25 for this item. Can you guess what it is? We'll start over on Poshmark. I sold this new without tag Zara basic outerwear sweater. It is fringed around the collar. It does have an Aztec or Southwestern print. I paid $3.50 for this last spring, so it took about 6 months to sell. It sold for my full asking price of $40, so my profit, $28.50. The next item is a new without tag baseball cap. This is the Miami Dolphins. The baseball caps at my Goodwill are just $1. I've had this listed since summer. The buyer paid my full asking price of $40, so it was just a matter of time for the right buyer to come along. My profit, $31. The next item is a new with tag Under Armour boys jacket. Now you may have noticed that the last 3 items were new. I did pick these up at my local thrift store, the Goodwill store, so you are able to find new with tag items that they have not marked up. This I paid $3 for at Goodwill. It sold quickly within 2 weeks of listing. I accepted an offer of $20. I did have it priced higher since it was new with tags and Under Armour. But when a $20 offer came through, I knew it was a youth size, so I accepted. My profit, $13. The last item I want to share with you on Poshmark is a pair of Teva sandals. I picked these up at a garage sale over the summer. They were $1. They took about 5 months to sell. They sold for $33. So my profit on these river trail hiking sandals, $25.40. I do not take the time to clean these thoroughly. I may have wiped them down, but I figure they're going to get dirty anyway, so I do not take the time to clean these shoes. As you can see from the bottoms, they still have rocks and dirt in them. I know a lot of resellers will go through the trouble of cleaning the soles. Not me. And it still sold anyway for $33. So time is money to me, and I don't have that kind of time to clean these dirty shoes. Next, we'll hop over to eBay. How's everyone doing? Do you like these what sold videos? I've been a reseller on eBay for over 20 years, and I just started my YouTube channel. If you like what you see here, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and tell your friends I'm trying to grow my YouTube channel. This is the cover photo for the video. I sold a pair of Sorel Joan of Arctic boots. I paid $10 for these in December, so they took about 1 month to sell. I accepted a best offer of $90 plus $18 shipping. Now I did have them priced high at $174. They were in great condition, but when the offer came through of $90, I couldn't resist. $90 is $90. So my profit on these boots, $70.90. These did ship via UPS for $13. So while the buyer did pay $18 shipping, I did make a little money on the ship charge. Looking at these keywords, I have the Sorel Joan of Arctic boots. This is the style number, which is on the inner tag. That's that number right there. They're waterproof, insulated, fur trim, and I added the keyword winter. Next up is a Torrid plus size t-shirt. This Torrid brand sells well for me in the plus size clothing. I paid $3.50 for this. It sold within 1 month of listing for $22.94 on promotion plus $7 shipping. It says Cowgirls do it better. So my profit, $18.40. When these colors are somewhat off, like you see this yellow color, I will match it to a Crayola crayon. In this case, it it best resembled the Dandelion Crayola crayon, and I will add that to my description. Next up is a pair of men's jeans. These are cinch up denim jeans. This white label is significant. Some of these cinch jeans have different color labels. Let me show you that label. It's right here. This is what they mean by white label. They do have different color labels. So I added that to my title. It did have some imperfections on it on the leg, which I noted in the description. Imperfect items still sell, so don't be afraid to pick them up. I paid $4.25 for this. It sold within 2 months of listing for $29. I accepted an offer. So my profit, $18.95. This knit sweater was for my own personal closet. My cost $0. I was not wearing the sweater anymore, so I put it up on eBay and accepted an offer of $9.99 plus $7 shipping. This is New York & Company. I would not typically source this brand, but it was free to me, so I thought I would throw it up on eBay and see what happened. With Valentine's Day right around the corner, I thought perhaps it would sell, and it sold within 4 days of listing. Looking at these keywords, I included New York & Company, the size extra small. It's a pullover sweater. I spelled out extra small in case someone was searching for those words. Red ruffle, it has some gems on the shoulder, and I added the keyword Valentine. I do believe adding these keywords to the title will help sell your item. The buyer paid $7 shipping, so my profit on this sweater that was just hanging in my closet was $10.90. The next item is a fairly large size bra. This kikik, or however you say it, I'm not sure, is from Lane Bryant. I love this brand because it will note the style of bra on the inner tag. Here you can see it says lightly lined t-shirt, no wire. The bras at my Goodwill are $2. This one sold for my full asking price of $30.99 plus $7 shipping. So my profit, $27.17. The last item on eBay I'd like to share with you is something I took a chance on. It's a top stitch Morning Sun sweatshirt. I paid $3.50 for this last month, so it sold within 4 weeks of listing. This is what that tag looks like. Top stitch by Morning Sun. It was in excellent condition. It had the detailed embroidery on the front of birds. Now, I wasn't quite sure what birds those were, but I did include birds in my title, as well as, I believe these are cornflowers. I think that's the flower. I'm not sure. Anyway, it sold regardless. I accepted an offer of $20 plus $7 shipping. Now, I did have it priced high at $29.99. Like I said, it was in excellent condition, but the offer came through of $20 within a matter of weeks of listing, so I accepted. My profit, $13.71. So I will be looking out for this brand. If the sweatshirt is in excellent condition, I will probably pick it up. Next, we'll hop over to Facebook. I have a couple sales over there. This is a Disney Tinkerbell scrub top plus size 2X. I paid $3.75 for this. It sold for my full asking price on Facebook of $27, and the buyer did pay shipping of $5.75. So my profit on this plus size scrub top from Disney, $21.48. This sold within 4 days of listing. Again, I honed in on these keywords. It's Tinkerbell scrub top plus size 2X. It had hearts on it, so I added Valentine Day. The next item on Facebook is a pair of Skechers shoes. Now, I am testing out the Skechers brand. I've heard from other resellers that this brand sells well. So I did pick these up for $3.50. They sold within 1 week of listing on Facebook for $20. I accepted an offer. As you can see here, I had him listed high at $34, but he messaged me to see if I would accept $20 plus shipping, which I did. So we paid $9.25 shipping, so my profit on these shoes, $14.92. So I will be testing out more of this Skechers brand, men and women's. How about you guys? Do you sell Skechers? If so, leave a comment below and let me know what sells well for you. Next, we'll hop over to Mercari. I have a sale over there I'd like to share with you. This is also a new to me brand. This Adar Pro. I picked up several of these nursing scrub sets at Goodwill. So for both pieces, they charged me $7.50. Each one of these sets have been selling for about $40 plus shipping. This one sold for $41 plus the $7.99 shipping on Mercari. My profit, when it was all said and done, $27.91. I have a couple of these scrub sets left. I believe one is black and the other could be navy. So the heathered color sets have sold quickly. And I have two sales over on Amazon that I thought would be interesting. I sold a Miss Elaine robe. I've had it listed for quite some time, about 7 months. This is what it looks like. I picked this up at TJ Maxx on clearance for $10. It did take some time to sell, but the buyer did pay $59 plus $4.99 shipping. So my profit on the robe, $35.49. And the other item that sold on Amazon, which I thought was interesting, was a tube of Sensodyne toothpaste. It looks like this. I had just the one. It's a travel size toothpaste. I believe I purchased this way back when for my son, and he didn't use it. So I put it up on Amazon to see if I could sell it. So my cost is $0. The buyer paid $19.01 plus $4.99 shipping, so they were over $25 all in on this travel size toothpaste. Looking at the address, it is shipping to a dentist, which I thought was very interesting. My profit on this travel size toothpaste was $15.74. I just shared with you 15 items that I sold in 1 week on eBay, Facebook, Poshmark, Mercari, and Amazon. This was for the end of January, January 24th through the 29th, so a Monday through a Saturday. I won't bore you with the number detail breakdown of my gross sales, cost of goods sold, and my net profit for the entire week, but I do include that information in other videos, and I will link those in the description below. If you learned anything from today's video, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. I would appreciate if you subscribe to my channel, as I do post these weekly What Sold videos. I will link another What Sold video here. Continue watching.